HSE Plan, what is it, why it matters, and who's responsible? Hello everyone, welcome back to Funny EHS Info. Today, we are talking about something every project, every site, and every safety officer must know, the HSE Plan. What is it? Why do we need it? And who's responsible for making it happen? What is an HSE Plan? An HSE Plan, short for Health, Safety, and Environmental Plan, is the master document that explains how risks to health, safety, and the environment will be identified, controlled, and monitored throughout the life of a project. It's not just about compliance. It's about preventing accidents, protecting people, and making sure operations run safely from day one all the way to handover. Why is an HSE Plan important? An HSE Plan serves three key purposes. First, it identifies risks early, even before the work begins. Second, it defines how those risks will be controlled, clearly and responsibly. And third, it ensures legal, client, and organizational compliance, so no corners are ever cut. Without an HSE Plan, your site has no safety roadmap. And no roadmap means you are operating blind. Who prepares the HSE Plan? The HSE Plan is usually prepared by the HSE manager or HSE engineer together with the project manager and key stakeholders. Input also comes from subcontractors, supervisors, and even clients, especially in high-risk industries like oil and gas, construction, and manufacturing. Once drafted, the plan must be reviewed, approved, and signed by senior management. In some cases, client authorization is also required before any work can start. What's inside a good HSE Plan? A good HSE Plan usually includes the project scope and objectives, the roles and responsibilities of all involved, and the risk assessments with their control measures. It explains how legal and regulatory compliance will be met. It details the permit-to-work procedures and sets out emergency preparedness and response plans. It also covers training, induction, and toolbox talks. It specifies PP requirements. It defines how incidents will be reported and investigated. It includes waste management and environmental controls. And finally, it sets out how monitoring, audits, and continuous improvement will be carried out. Legal requirements and regulations. An HSE Plan isn't optional. It is required by law and by international safety standards. Some of the most recognized requirements include ISO 45001 for occupational health and safety management systems, ISO 14001 for environmental management systems, and OSHA standards such as 29 CFR 1926 and 1910 for construction and general industry. Local regulations also apply, such as Oman Ministerial Decision 286 of 2008, UAE Federal Law No. 8, India's Factories Act, and the Qatar Construction Safety Standards. In many countries, authorities or clients can stop your work or fine your company if an approved HSE Plan is not available on site. Who uses the HSE Plan? It's not just for safety officers. Everyone on site should be aware of the HSE Plan: workers, supervisors, subcontractors, engineers, and even visitors. The plan should be explained during site induction and regularly reviewed during toolbox talks and safety meetings. Best practices. To make your HSE Plan effective, keep it project-specific and avoid copy-paste templates. Always use clear and simple language, supported by flowcharts, tables, and emergency numbers. Review and update it regularly, especially whenever the scope of work or risks change. Keep it visible and accessible on-site, not hidden away in a cabinet. And most importantly, involve the workers, because safety only works when everyone takes part. Your HSE plan is more than just a file. It's a living safety strategy. It reflects how seriously your team takes the health and well-being of every person on site and the environment around them. So don't treat it like paperwork. Treat it as your first and last line of defense.
This is all about today's topic. Thanks for watching Funny EHS Info. And don't forget to subscribe our channel to get immediate notification of our videos. Share our videos to your friends and colleagues to create safety awareness. If you have any questions and requirements, please comment in comment box.